Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how long inositol takes to work. Inositol is a naturally occurring sugar alcohol that plays a vital role in many bodily functions, including cell signaling and insulin regulation. The time it takes to experience its benefits can vary significantly from person to person. Generally, you might start noticing some initial changes within a few weeks, but more substantial improvements often require consistent supplementation over several months. Patience and adherence to your regimen are key for optimal outcomes. For those managing polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, inositol can be particularly beneficial. Many women report more regular menstrual cycles after 2 to 3 months of consistent use. If you are looking to improve ovulation and fertility, it typically takes about 3 to 4 months to see noticeable changes. Improvements in insulin sensitivity, a common concern with PCOS, may begin to appear within 6 to 12 weeks. Sustained use for 6 months often leads to significant reductions in overall PCOS symptoms. Inositol also shows promise for supporting mental well-being. If you are taking it for anxiety, you might experience a reduction in symptoms within 4 to 6 weeks. Improvements in general mood and stress markers can often be observed in as little as 3 to 6 weeks. For depressive symptoms, the timeline can be a bit longer, with results typically seen after about 6 to 8 weeks of consistent supplementation. Studies often use daily doses ranging from 12 to 18 grams for these benefits. To maximize the effectiveness of inositol, consistency is paramount. Taking your supplement daily as recommended is vital for building up its levels in your system. Your individual metabolic response and the specific health condition you are addressing will also greatly influence how quickly you see results. The dosage you take is another key factor. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage and strategy for your unique needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.